Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is my morning skin and hair care routine. A lot of you liked my night one, so here's my morning one. So my contacts are in and my hair's up in a bun, and next I wash my face. So I'm just wetting my face, and then I'm going to go in with my Neutrogena Grapefruit cleanser and just apply that to my face. And once I'm done with the cleanser, I'm going to use this Beauty 360 face brush. It's like the Foreo thing. It vibrates, and I just like to use that because I sweat in my sleep and I just want to get all the dirt out of my skin. Once I'm done with that, I just rinse my face off and pat it dry with a towel. And then I'm going to use the Yes to Coconuts. I think it's like the Coconut Souffle Moisturizer or something. I'll have all the names in the description box, but I just apply that to my face because it really helps moisturize my skin, and I really liked this cream. Next, I just brush my teeth and make sure they're all nice and clean. Alright, so then after that, I just go get dressed, and I'm all dressed now, and I'm going to take my hair out and brush this mess that I have going on before I straighten it. I also decided to include my hair care routine just because I don't do a whole lot to my skin in the morning. I just like to do like a less is more kind of thing. So once my hair is all brushed out, I use this L'Oreal Air Dry It Undone cream. It's like a leave-in conditioner, but I like to use it as like a heat protectant kind of thing, and it helps keep my hair not frizzy and anything. So once I apply it, I just brush it out, and then I go and section my hair kind of like a half up, half down. I don't make it even, to be completely honest with you. And then I just go in with my Chi straightener. I don't know what model this is because I've had this for years, and I just straighten my hair as I go. I have the temperature on like the highest setting, which is not good for your hair at all, but it's the only way my hair stays straight. If it's not on the highest setting, then it's not straight. So once I'm done with the bottom section, I just go in with the top section and kind of just keep straightening it until it's perfectly straight. So once I'm done straightening my hair, I just like to brush it out one more time just to make sure there's no knots or tangles. And then I go in with this Indie Dry shampoo just to add some volume because my hair has absolutely no volume. And once I'm done with that, I kind of just figure out how I want to part my hair for the day because every day I part my hair differently. And that's it for my morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.